Scared of ducks.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
What's up, everybody, and good morning. Welcome back to the shop. Today's victim is my TRX 450R. Just gotta put it back together. I'm waiting on a call for a brake caliper. I got the brakes pretty well set up, but I've been having a really hard time bleeding them, so we'll see what we can do with this today. I just basically have to put it back together because I did most of that stuff last night. Kind of forgot to film stuff. This machine here, it's got a story too. Let's go back in time a little bit. What's up, dudes? It's been a while. Welcome back to the channel. It's the end of an era. The go-karts are being sold. Oh, the El Camino ain't looking so great either. I've been slacking and saving up some money. To be honest, I stopped kind of enjoying working on the stuff like that and stressing and trying to be too much focused on getting it up to the track and being a pro drifter guy and shit. Kind of leaving a bunch of goals behind and just focusing on stuff I enjoy and having a good time and enjoying making videos again. So behold, I bought a quad and another quad. Whoa. And a bike. The 20 years before I was drifting into cars, I was into quads and bikes and off-road racing and all that stuff. So I'm just getting back to stuff that I enjoy. But listen. This one I got in pieces. It's a 2004 Honda TRX 450R. And then this one, well, this one's a big hunk of shit, and I spent 800 bucks on it, and I totally got screwed. It's supposed to be to work around the yard and stuff, but the more I work on it, the more it breaks down. The gas tank just freaking broke. It's in there. I don't know if you can see what's going on, what's wrong. And it seems like every bushing and bearing on this thing is finished. Every time I fix one piece, something else goes wrong, so I got parts for it. They gotta go on. I'm gonna try it anyway. But this one showed up with cracked cylinder. Now it turns over, and I hope the compression's good and stuff. Probably not very good, but anyways, I'm gonna try to just work on it. So potentially the price I paid for this one and this one together is not even the price of one decent one. It's like less than half. So I'm $1,000 in and $1,000 in. Let's see what we can do to make it work. So this one here, owner claims, states that it was the CDI box that was the problem. I went ahead, I ordered one off of eBay. Bunch of things I gotta do to this thing. First, like I said, I bought it in pieces. So we're gonna dig in, do a bolt check, take it apart while we're waiting for the dude that's gonna come and buy this. All these panels are just kind of really sitting on there. I didn't really take the time to bolt anything together yet. Got some box parts.
So please, allow me to do my thing.
I need to run a bolt check. I need to figure out where all these plugs and wires go. Said the problem was a CDI box, which is right here. I just found another one in the spare parts, and I have one that I ordered off of eBay. Brake lines, bolt check, exhaust. Yeah. I put a little bit of fuel in the carburetor, made sure there was oil in it, oil in the transmission, oil in the motor. Now, I just gotta hop on it and try to kickstart it. Let's see what happens. Yeah. 14 for the two. Nope. Didn't work. All right, boys. I just cleaned the carb out. Should we try again? Nope. No progress up the back. Needed a new carb, needed brakes and stuff. Probably could have fixed the carb. It's kind of got low compression. Needed a stator, just like the 125 back there. But it is running now. It's a bitch to kick. Like I said, it's got low compression. I might run a little check and check the valves and stuff. But for today, let's just get it back together. Let's get it running. This one runs. The 125 runs. Steve's coming. AJ might come over. So we'll see if these boys can ride those.
Got up this morning and I'm feeling nothing. Receipt from yesterday, pop out on my jeans. Oh, the date was 24th of July. You hold my hand for the first time.
This cool motocross stuff. Blister packs that actually open.
And my necklace that you bought me is gone and my heart hurts, but I should be wrong. Like there's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
Try to keep it running. So AJ's first time riding one of these four-wheelers. Put him on the 400. See if he can handle maybe the dirt bike after. Let's see how he does. You can do it. But don't touch you quick. That's probably second.
You drove so fast, I said, please stop.
How many times have I told you I needed a little bit slower?
A little slower. There you go. I was getting used to it there. It's coming back a lot quicker than he left.
Yeah.
Ooh. So?
Decent, but I went like I thought it was like round or flat. Went right into the ditch. I'm like, oh.
The GoPro says it all.
Yeah. How far does this go back?
Oh, it goes pretty far. Did you go right to the back?
Far. I got lost back there. I don't know if I'll go
Steve's
to
turn.
You can go anywhere in this field?
Yeah. It's a nice fresh cut. You're not killing any hay. Uncle won't be upset.
You're in neutral?
Yeah, the kill switch is on though, I think. Yeah. Quick. Everybody gets to try one.
That's real close up.
Oh, it's recording now?
Yeah.
So you don't have to watch me kick it over like a mule.
Oh, sort of warm
Inside the
up.
helmet, you don't see it.
Huh?
He's right inside the helmet, you won't see it.
Got your nice new boots on. Oh, I should do that. Up and down. Why is it so? Oh, you're 3 times. Okay. There you are.
gas on.
Good one.
I think it's a 5-speed, could be a 6-speed. You might have to give it a little bit of gas to fire it up. Hey, where's this helmet? Where's this goggle strap like Craig? Oh, here we go. Too bad it's the end of summer and all this fun stuff's happening, right? Oh, first shot.
There we go. That's wild, the power band there.
Yeah. That's the difference between a T-stroke and a 4. Woo. It's a thing, huh?
That's a thing, all right.
So what do you like better, bike or quad?
Oh, definitely the bike. But
Yeah. Totally different feeling. It's like,
yeah.
for me, it feels like you're almost floating or flying when you're on the bike, you know?
You know, you're just like fucking just dancing there. Like,
Yeah.
different feeling completely, yeah. The power band really makes it fun, but
It does. So I'm saying, like, nothing will ever replace that feeling, you know?
no, that's crazy.
Glad you liked it.
Yeah, good purchase, buddy.
Ooh. Woo. But you just can't get enough. You scared of ducks. He likes it. Don't. After really beating the crap out of these quads yesterday, I'm gonna have to do some work on them. In light of that, and the fact that I probably popped the engine in the 450 yesterday or did some damage to it, to make my life easier, I'm gonna make a thing. This box has been kicking around for ages. I'm gonna chop it up, weld some things to it, and make it into something useful. There's a bunch of prep work I gotta do before I can put this thing together, so I'm gonna get doing that and avoid doing the whole video montage about it. All done. Behold, my pieces. Now you can pay attention to this next part, because we're gonna burn some metal. All done. Should I paint it? Probably, but I really want to test it. It's way too high. Doesn't work. Shit, thing I didn't paint it. Okay, I redid it. Take 2. Okay, so the front end's sitting kind of high, but it does work. First thing tomorrow morning, I can get into looking at what exactly I broke on it. Third time is a charm, right? It's ugly as all hell, but it works for now. Now I'm gonna take it all apart again and check it out, see what's wrong, maybe pull the valve cover off. It was doing this weird sputtering thing, puffing some color smoke. The antifreeze looks good, the oil looks good, no discoloring. But I'll pull the top off this thing, pull off the valve cover, check the spark plug, see if there's any oil in the head, etc, etc. Get this tray out of the way, and the first thing I'd like to do is to check the spark plug. Because I've been able to put some significant time on it, we did probably about an hour of lapping last week with AJ. At least I'll get an idea if it's running rich or lean. Let's see what the plug says. Well, it's pretty dark. I think it's safe to say that it's not running lean. There's definitely oil in there, and it's not old oil. So that's a plus thing. It's actually in the right position. I can check my valves. Judging by this right there, that bolt, it's been taken off. Looks a little round. After some simple tests, I checked the play in the valves, exhaust, intake, and they're pretty much in spec. The intake ones are completely in spec. The exhaust is a little bit out. The timing chain feels tight enough. Feels like that's in spec too. So with oil getting to the head, I really don't think it's a mechanical problem that's doing this sputtering thing. So we're gonna have to dig a little deeper. I might put it together, try it out again, see what it does, hope for the best. Now I'm gonna sweat my ass off kicking it over 100 million times to see if it runs, and go for a ride to see if it does the same shit. Shit, I don't know. Now it's apart again for the second time today. Let's see if there's spark. One thing I don't wanna, but I'm gonna check is the stator, because I recently put that in. It's a cheap ass one off eBay, so I probably screwed up there. But maybe I put it in wrong because I don't know what I'm doing. Let's do a time lapse. Gave it the old inspection, looked for broken wires, everything looks okay. I don't know what's going on here. It's still pretty fresh. Like I said, I'm pretty confident this is a cheap one, and maybe it's a faulty part. Who knows? But right now, I don't have the funds to be messing around with that. I'm trying to sell a set of wheels. Maybe I'll get those sold today and I could do something. These are the wheels in question. I'm hoping to get like 500 bucks. Bought them a while ago. They don't fit this or this. Was running. Started to do a weird sputter thing at mid to high RPM after a day of riding, which makes me think it was nice and hot and everything. Went through the paces. I don't know what it is. Hate to leave it on this note, but I'm gonna move on to something else for now, and we'll get back to you, let you know. I did some more digging, found some reviews on the stator. The part that I put in there off Amazon for like less than 100 bucks. Check it out. Doesn't look so high, so that I think is the problem. That's what I'm leaning on. See if I can sell these tires back here, and then hopefully I can get the part. We'll go from there. Thanks for sticking around, guys.